Continuing with chapter number 6, students, and yes, permutations, combinations, and binomial expansion, the name of the chapter. And in this E-class, I'll start with meaning of combination. It means we are done with the permutations, and I'll start with combinations from this E-class. Now, we have studied about permutations. Yes, permutations, all kind of different sums we have already covered, which gives number of arrangements of distinct things. Yes, it tells us about the arrangement of different things. Now, we shall think about the number of ways to select some of the things from distinct things. Now, over here in combination, we will learn about the number of ways to select some of the things from the given distinct things. Yes, यहाँ पे हम selection के बारे में study करेंगे. Now the example is given to you. For example, Tanya has three friends, Rutva, Kathan and Kirti. Now, if these three friends are to be arranged in two places, then yes, you all know it can be done in 3p two ways. 3p2 is 3 into 2 equals to 6 ways. Now, 6 ways are given to you in the form of table. फर्स्ट प्लेस सेकंड प्लेस ऐसे पूरा टेबल दिखाया गया है आपको. फर्स्ट प्लेस रुतवा कथन, then second place Rutva Kirti, then the third arrangement actually. The third arrangement is Kathan Rutva, fourth arrangement Kathan Kirti, then Kirti Rutva, and the last one is Kirti and Kathan. So in this way the arrangement can be done actually. But now we have to think about the types of selection. We are supposed to think about the selection. We are not supposed to think over here about the arrangement. We are learning combination. So over here, we need to study about selection. Tanya wants to invite only two friends out of the above three friends for the function of her home. How many options does Tanya have to invite two friends out of three? Now, over here, as already said, selection is important. Now, Tanya is supposed to invite only two friends out of three friends. Now, about the selection. Will Tanya invite Rutva and Kirti, or Rutva and Kathan, or Kathan and Kirti? Thus, only these three different ways can arise which are shown in the table. Yes, जो ऊपर lines के form में दिया हुआ था, same thing is given to you people in the form of table. The selection ways are 3 and selected friends are given. Now it should be noted here that the order is important in permutation. So Rutva and Kathan and Rutva are different with reference to permutation. Now permutation में order important होता है. So Rutva and Kathan और Kathan and Rutva, वो दोनों अलग अलग बातें हो गई जब हम permutations की बात करते हैं. Whereas the order is not important in selection, जबकि selection में order important नहीं होता है. That is whether Rutva and Kathan or Kathan and Rutva come to Tanya's home, it means the same. Yes, selection में Kathan Rutva, Rutva Kathan same बात होती है. Thus, selection of two friends out of three friends can be done in, yes, three ways. Each of these options of selection is called combination. हर एक option जो selection के लिए है उसे combination कहा जाता है. Total number of such combinations is denoted by 3C2. Yes, यहाँ पे denotion है 3C2. Thus, it can be said that 3C2 equals to 3 in general. The total number of combinations of selecting are less than equal to n things out of n different things will be NCR. Yes, यहाँ पे अब आगे हमें denotion भी बताया गया है. It is also denoted by, yes, different ways से यहाँ पे ये denote किया जाता है. That is n नीचे NCR, फिर C, फिर ब्रैकेट में n कॉमा R, फिर C n जो है वो ऊपर एंड R नीचे. वी विल यूज द नोटेशन NCR. हम लास्ट में जो आपको नोटेशन दिया हुआ है वो यूज करेंगे. एंड यस, द सेम इज गिवन टू यू in the box also. Thus, total combinations of selecting R things out of n different things is NCR. Yes, selecting R things out of n things is known as NCR. The total combinations of selecting actually. Now let us see how the value of NCR is obtained. अब NCR किस तरह से हमें मिलता है? It means about the formula we will be studying. Total combinations of selecting R things out of n distinct things is NCR. Yes, again same thing. Repeat हुई है. In each case of, in each type of selection, R things are involved. Yes, obviously बात है, हर एक सिलेक्शन में R things जो है वो involved रहेंगी. R things among themselves can be arranged in RPR equals to R factorial ways. Thus, we get R factorial permutations corresponding to each combination. Hence, NCR combination gives NCR into R factorial permutations. Now, whatever is written over here, नीचे वो पूरा explain किया गया है. But as we have seen earlier, total number of permutations of R things out of n distinct things is NPR. Yes, ये हमने permutations में already study किया था. So NPR equals to NCR into R factorial. Now NPR जो है, that is actually NCR into R factorial. So NCR can be written as NPR upon R factorial. Now we need to substitute the formula of NPR. So it will be NCR equals to n factorial upon n minus R factorial into R factorial. अब equals to में जो नीचे इन्होंने लिखा है R factorial को वो आगे लेके गए हैं. So I hope I'm clear. Basic formula जो है NCR का, that is, yes, NCR का ये आपका basic formula रहेगा. Therefore, formula written again, and yes, where n is, yes, more than 0, R is more than or equal to 0, and the next thing that is given is n is more than or equal to R. N is positive integer and R is non-negative integer. Now about this, that is combination, its sums, its practice, its basic things we will be doing in my next e-class. Thank you, students.